Look at my tiny possum pie. Look at my tiny possum. Hey, welcome to Misty Land. So today I'm making possum pies. Little possum pies, miniature possum pies. I've never done it before, so I don't know how it's gonna work out, but I'm pretty excited. Jason says it's opossum, and so that's just all there is to it. There's no possum being harmed in the making of this possum pie. So first things first, I need to get the shortbread started. And I will leave the recipe in the description. I thought we could have us a little visit while I'm doing this. So YouTube is hard. Just studying about how to make a YouTube channel, you have to use your hands because apparently we're all a little attention deficit disorder. And so you have to use your hands like to hypnotize people to watch you. And now I can't even stand hands when I'm watching YouTube. And I have been exclusively watching YouTube for about 10 years. So all the YouTube advice, they tell you to pick a niche, which I can't do because I'm making YouTube videos about what I'm already doing, and I do a lot of different things, not just one thing. And then they tell you that the best thing to do is to look at other channels in your niche and to copy what they're doing. And I think that is terrible advice because that is how you become a filler person. I think the kids today call them NPCs. In the 90s, we just called them filler people. You know, people who just fill up the room. And so that is their best advice, just to copy everyone else. And my last possum pie video did really good, and I wasn't expecting it. Up until then, I only had 50 subscribers, and they all watched faithfully. And I didn't have any trolls. After possum pie, I had trolls. I had trolls from Instagram previously that had found me, and they would subscribe to my channel and then unsubscribe, and subscribe and unsubscribe, and it's just dealing with them is horrible. And you know, I am autistic, so I don't really understand. I don't understand trolls. I don't understand why people treat each other the way that they do. I mean, I understand scientifically that your brain has all these different chemicals in it, and you train your brain to release these chemicals. Some people do it through drugs, or you just do it through your everyday activities. And so people train their brains to only release dopamine hits when they're mean, and so that they can only be happy by being mean. And that is just sad and pathetic. Possum pie. So I did get a few of them out. This is what I wanted to do, and then just fill them up. I've already made all the fillings, and so I'm about ready to get the pies out and fill them up. But if you want a closer look on that, then just watch my possum pie video. So here's my setup. I've got my cream cheese, chopped pecans, chocolate pudding, and whipped cream. Look how cute. Oh, that one fell apart. Oh. Some of them are falling apart. Okay, I think I have everything ready to start filling these little tiny pies up. Here's some of the little shells. Look how cute. Okay, so now we're gonna start filling them up. I've got my cream cheese. It's like a sweetened cream cheese. I'm just gonna get these in there. Okay, now with the pudding. I made my pudding from scratch, but you can use whatever pudding you want. We have a layer of cream cheese, a layer of chocolate pudding, and a little bit of whipped cream. Okay, so now I'm gonna get some chopped pecans and sprinkle over them, and some chocolate. I kind of disappeared last year, my channel, and that is because well, exactly what you think. But anyway, like I was saying, YouTube is very hard. It is a lot harder than I thought. There is a lot involved in YouTube. Just the editing alone, the filming alone, the hand magic is just, it's a lot. Don't make any money off this channel. And I actually am having to get a real job. So I don't know how much more you'll see of me. So I cannot eat a possum pie by myself. And I knew that I was going to get really sad really fast if I was letting possum pie go to waste. But now I have a way of making tiny possum pies that I can just freeze and eat whenever I want. There, got more. And I probably didn't need to double this recipe. You do not have to double this recipe. And I'm going to freeze them for a little while individually like this. And when they get frozen, I'm going to put them in a Ziploc bag. Well, they turned out perfect. Look at that. That is adorable. It is so cute. Look at my tiny possum pie. Look at my tiny possum and my tiny possum pie. Look how cute this is. Look how cute both of them are. Look how cute they are. Oh my gosh. Now I have a whole bag of mini pies that I can just take out and let sit on the counter for about 10 minutes. But because I froze them before I put them in the bag, they stay perfect. Get bit by a snake and have to go to the hospital for an antidote. Possum here's gonna save your life. That right. She'll just stay on my back like that. I can walk around and she'll hang on. Say bye. Y'all have a good one.